Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today's tutorial is going to be how to make a bra cup. All we're gonna need today is some yarn. I'm just using some regular worsted yarn that I got from Dollar Tree and a size 4mm hook. So we're gonna start off by making a slip knot. And then this is where the pattern differs by size. So if you're an A cup, you're gonna wanna chain 10. If you're a B cup, you're gonna wanna chain 12. If you're a C cup, chain 14. D cup, chain 16. And as you go up in size, increase by 2 stitches. So since I'm a C cup, I'll be chaining 14. So here we have our 14 chains. And in the third chain from the hook, this is where we're going to be placing our first half double crochet. So a half double crochet is yarn over, push into the chain, pull up a loop. So you should have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and that's a half double crochet. You're going to do that in every stitch across until you get to the last chain stitch. So now you should have 12 half double crochet stitches, not counting that chain 2 space. We're not counting this beginning chain 2. So we're gonna count using the loops at the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 half double crochets. So we're going to chain 1. And in that last half double crochet space right here, we're going to place another half double crochet, and then we're going to half double crochet all the way across. So now we should have 12 half double crochets all the way across. And in this space right here at the top between the half double crochet and the chain 2, we're going to be placing 3 half double crochets in this space right here. So we're going to place 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 half double crochets in the same stitch, and that is what I'll be referring to as our increase. And now we'll be placing half double crochets in the bottom of that first row right here, in these gaps right here. They look like they have little chain stitches right here. We're going to be placing the half double crochets into the bottom space of that first row. So continue on down. So this is what it should look like. You should have 12 stitches on both sides and 3 in the middle. So for the next row, we're going to chain 1, place a half double crochet in that last half double crochet that we did, and then we're going to half double crochet all the way down until we get to the middle stitch from the previous increase. So we're at the middle stitch from the previous increase. We're going to be placing 3 half double crochets into that middle stitch. So we're going to be making another increase in that stitch. So 1, 2, 3 in the same stitch. And then we're going to be placing half double crochets all the way down the other side of the row. So that's the end of our third row. So we have that first row that we did right here in the middle. We have a second row going around that one, and we have a third row. So we're going to continue. So this is what my bra cup looks like with about 11 rows done. So you just keep on adding rows until you get your desired size. I would suggest about 7 rows for an A cup, counting that middle row, including that middle row. So 7 rows for an A cup, 9 for a B cup, 11 for a C cup, 13 for a D cup, and you just keep adding 2 rows as you get bigger in size. or you just keep adding rows and, you know, try it on and see if it fits around your boob and see if you like it, because I know some people, you know, some people might want it on the smaller side, some people want it on the bigger side. So your chains, the amount of chains we start with are responsible for the height of the bra cup, and the amount of rows that we add is responsible for the width of the bra cup. But yeah, this is it. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions, concerns, you know, feedback. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for some more crochet content.